Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च। नाउ आज मैं आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ मोस्ट वंडरफुल वीडियो। मैं एक ऐसे मोबाइल के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगा जिस मोबाइल के लिए आप लोग बहुत बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे। इस मोबाइल के बारे में मैं कुछ स्पेसिफिकेशन बताना चाहूँगा और ये अमेज़ॉन और सम अदर ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल है। जो मोबाइल प्रेमी हैं, those who are very interested for purchasing a mobile and they are so much curious about for the camera, battery and display and the performance is so nice. So I'm just coming for the key specification of this particular mobile. The name of this mobile I'll tell you later on. The first is that specification, it's octa-core 2.84 gigahertz. Snapdragon is a 888 processor and 8 GB RAM. I think a Snapdragon 888 processor and for 2.84 gigahertz, it's a very high performance equipment has already been there, so it can be very useful for everyone. And the display is 6.7 inch, means 17.02 centimeter, and it's a fluid AMOLED screen and 120 hertz refresh rates. So and the camera is 48, 50 plus 8 and 2 megapixel dual LED flash and 16 megapixel for the front camera. So the camera quality is so nice. I think I'll also send you the video where you can find out more and more detail of this phone. Now the battery is a 4500 mAh and it's a rapid charging and USB type C port. So if after that you can extendable is a 128 GB memory, it's a 4G support, Indian bands, Gorilla Glass, wireless charging is also there, and VoLTE waterproof. There is no FM radio, right? So if you want to comparison with no OnePlus 9, so I'm just showing that what is that phone name is it's for the OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm just coming for the reviews part. So the total review has given me 4 out of 5. Cons is the subpar battery life, it's a little expensive, but the camera quality is nice and excellent performance. So the user review is that warning for everyone, phone is a overheating. Sometimes it can be the overheating. I just the one person has just given for the review. I just received my OnePlus Pro 9 12 GB 256 GB model, and guess what I didn't even finish setting up the phone. The phone was overheating. The overheating, maybe there are multiple issues behind it. Maybe this set can be the some issues, or maybe on the charger. We cannot predict anything, but it might be some defective phone, but not all the phones or maybe all the pieces of this phone can be defective, right? So my point is that OnePlus Pro 9 is also very good phone, and you can compare with some other the display size. So this is the complete specifications. I have shown you the key specification earlier, and after that if you want to go for details, that you can visit to that particular website is 91mobile.com, and I'll share the link where you can buy this phone. I hope so this is clear for everyone, those who are so much tech guy and wanted to understand to all the band frequencies and what are the other features. You can just connect it and get the information from this website. The camera samples, this is the photo quality which HDR review site. Some screenshots are there, right? And आई होप सो ये वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा. अगर ये OnePlus 9 Pro आप खरीद लेते तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करिएगा. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसको लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. एंड आई शेयर, मैं ऐसे ही वीडियो लेकर आता रहूँगा जो नए नए फ़ोन लॉन्च होंगे. I hope so you can purchase. Now if you want to comparison with OnePlus 9 Pro with Xiaomi Redmi 10, so I'm getting, suppose compare with the OnePlus 9 Pro, right? So here you can check for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and the OnePlus 9 Pro comparison. So guys, just check this one. The inches, if you see about for the display, 6.7, obviously 96% is more precious, and the camera is almost same, is 40 MP, 88 MP and 48 MP, and 50 MP extra is there in this phone. 16 MP in the front, is a 13 MP. Now the comparison of the battery life of this particular OnePlus Pro is little low. It's 4500 mAh, but it's a 5000 mAh, so it's a good for the battery backup. Now the performance for the Redmi 10 is for the dual plus hexa core. It's a 2.2 GHz plus 1.7 GHz, 4 GB RAM. But if you talk about for this particular OnePlus Pro, so OnePlus 9 Pro, you will have this quality of processor, 2.84 GHz, is far much better than for Redmi 10, right? So, and this is expandable, non-expandable, which still is a 128 GB. I think 128 is sufficient for the mobile user. Thank you. I hope so you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.